Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Germany. He was born into a Jewish family. His father worked as an engineer, and his mother loved music. From an early age, Albert was calm and thoughtful. He liked to observe the world around him quietly. As a child, Albert Einstein did not speak very early. This made some people think he had learning problems. However, he was not slow. He simply thought deeply before speaking. He preferred thinking carefully instead of talking quickly. Albert did not enjoy school very much. He did not like strict rules or learning by memorization. Some teachers believed he would not succeed in life. Despite this, Albert loved math and science. These subjects allowed him to think freely and explore ideas. When Albert was a teenager, his family moved to Italy. Later, he went to Switzerland to study. He entered the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich. There, he studied physics and mathematics. He did not always follow the rules, but he continued learning in his own way. After finishing school, Albert Einstein had difficulty finding a teaching job. For a time, he struggled financially. Eventually, he found work at the Swiss Patent Office. His job was to examine inventions. This work gave him time to think and develop his own ideas. In 1905, Albert Einstein had a very important year. This year is often called his miracle year. He published several scientific papers that changed physics forever. One of these papers introduced the theory of special relativity. Another important idea from Einstein was the equation E equals mc squared. This equation showed that energy and mass are connected. This idea became one of the most famous equations in the world. In 1915, Albert Einstein completed the theory of general relativity. This theory explained gravity in a new way. At first, many people did not understand his work. Over time, scientists confirmed that his ideas were correct. Einstein became famous around the world. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics. He received the prize for his work on the photoelectric effect, not for relativity. His discoveries helped develop modern science and technology. As his fame grew, Einstein also spoke about peace and human rights. He believed science should help humanity, not harm it. He was concerned about war and violence and supported peaceful solutions. In the 1930s, the political situation in Germany became dangerous for Jewish people. Albert Einstein left Germany and moved to the United States. He began working at Princeton University in New Jersey. During World War II, Einstein warned leaders about the danger of nuclear weapons. Although he did not work directly on weapons, he understood the power of scientific knowledge and its consequences. Albert Einstein continued thinking, writing, and teaching for many years. He lived a simple life and did not care much about fame or money. He valued curiosity, imagination, and learning. Einstein believed that asking questions was more important than memorizing answers. He often said curiosity was the key to discovery. He encouraged people to think deeply and never stop learning. Albert Einstein died on April 18, 1955. His death was felt around the world. By that time, he was recognized as one of the greatest scientists in history. Albert Einstein's life shows that being different is not a weakness. His story teaches us that curiosity, patience, and independent thinking can change the world. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and continue learning English with us.